Deep beneath the crystal-clear ocean lives Axo, a cute axolotl with big, sparkling eyes and feathery gills. He explores a vibrant underwater world filled with colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, sea plants, and warm sunlight. As evening approaches, Axo notices a mysterious glowing light in the distance, shining with magical blue, green, and purple colors. Curious and excited, Axo follows the beautiful light through winding coral pathways and deeper parts of the ocean. The camera follows Axo as he swims toward a hidden cave entrance carved into a rocky underwater cliff. Inside the cave, the walls sparkle with glowing crystals, and hundreds of tiny glowing particles float like underwater stars. As Axo explores deeper, he discovers tiny, glowing fish-like creatures swimming gracefully and playfully around him. The cave transforms into a spectacular light show as swirling schools of glowing creatures create colorful waves of light. Axo realizes the cave is not scary at all. It is a hidden natural wonder. He smiles with excitement and joy. Axo swims back toward home under the moonlit water, looking back one last time at the magical glowing cave.